Hey, I'm Dave Russell, this is Rocky. We're going to talk about the different quirks and perks of each different horse. There's some fundamentals I want all horses to be able to do, but with our friend here, we want him to get off the leg better. Yet if we drop the rein when we're riding him, he gets impulsive and runs. So the last thing you want to do is actually add leg. Yet when you pick up two reins and you add leg, he won't drive into the contact. So it's still a leg problem. So you go, well, how do I fix this? How do I go about it? Because it's a bit quirky in what direction do I start? So there's a couple of ways you can start. You can start with your general flex and hind quarter yield and make sure that your horse is getting off your leg on the ground. So we can fix the leg problem individually, one leg at a time. So I'm going to start with hair pressure, skin pressure, muscle pressure. Now I'm going to go bone pressure, just a little bump until he gets off it, and then I want to go back to hair pressure. I always want to start and finish with hair pressure if I can. He got it in the end, but there was a sticky spot in the accelerator there. So that told me when I get to ride with two reins it was going to be even tougher, which meant he was going to jump up and put all his energy into the up and not into the forward, into the contact. So that's one thing I would take care of, one leg at a time, and then add two. The whole running away on a free rein, that would be helped by every time he does go to run away, I would just use my one rein, stop, one rein, use my leg, disengage till he stops, relaxes, and let him go and do it again. You might have to have a whole session just on that. It could even take you a few days, it might take you a week. It's up to the horse. So you're gonna have to break those two things down separately so he gets to learn how to get off one leg at a time, then two legs, then taking care of the running away, which we might be able to do a video separately on that. Taking care of the running away, and then you can combine picking up your two reins with your two legs, and then when you squeeze, he knows how to go forward into the contact. There's some other parts to that, to be fair, and that would be when you rode him up into the contact, you'd be lifting a shoulder up for balance. You would run one hand even, down one rein for a head in or a head out, and got your flex and then dropped it. So you do one thing at a time, head in, drop it, soften your leg, go back to freestyle. You would end up doing things like pick it up, use your inside calf for a bend till he softens, and then give it back to freestyle again. So that way he learns only has to hold the forward into one rein contact for a couple of strides or one stride until he softens and give it back. He doesn't have to contend with two legs, two hands straight away. So that doesn't get him so worried and claustrophobic. That would be my antidote and how to build that with this horse. In the coming few days or weeks, we'll try and put a video together that illustrates that very thing. But that's another idea that'll help you with that kind of situation. Thank you.